Hey everyone, are you getting the something went wrong error when you are using a Google Gemini? You are trying to generate an image, ask a question, or access your email, and suddenly you see this annoying message. Gemini just stopped working and you have no idea what went wrong. Well, you are in the right place because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem. Before we jump into the fix, let's understand what causes something went wrong error in Google Gemini. This error can happen in different situations. First, when generated image, Gemini might exceed its usage limits. Second, when chatting or asking questions, your account might have restrictions or Gemini servers are overloaded. Third, when you're accessing Gmail through Gemini, you might not have the proper permissions granted. Fourth, your browser or app might be outdated. Fifth, your cache and cookies are corrupted. And sixth, there is a conflict when your Google account settings. Understanding the causes help us fix it faster. Solution 1. Let's start with the simplest solution, something Gemini just need a fresh start. If you are using Gemini in your web browser, simply press F5 or click refresh button. Wait for the page is fully loaded. Now try your request again. If you were trying to generate an image, write a new prompt. If you were asking a question, ask it again many times. This simply refresh fix the error immediately. If you are using Gemini, the Google app in your phone, go back to the home screen and close the app completely. Swipe it away from the recent app. Now open Google app again and try your request. This clear Gemini memory and give it refresh start. Solution 2. If refreshing didn't work, let's clear Gemini's cache. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure all time is selected. Check the box next to the cookies and site data and the cached images and file. Now click Clear Data. After clearing your cache, go to gemini.google.com and try again. The error should be gone because you have removed all corrupted temporary files that were causing the problem. If you are using your phone, open Google App Settings, scroll down and tap Clear Cache. Solution 3. If you are getting the error specifically when trying to generate images in Gemini, you might hit your usage limit. Google Gemini has daily limits for image generation. If you have generated too many images in a short period, you will get the something went wrong error. The solution is simple. Wait a few hours and try again. Google resets your limit daily. You can also try using a different image prompt. Something specific prompt trigger error because they violate Gemini safety policy. For example, if your prompt including violence, hate speech, or unwanted content, Gemini will refuse and show this error. Try to rephrase your prompt to be more general. Solution 4. If you are trying to use Gemini to search or review your emails and you get the something went wrong error, it's because Gemini doesn't have permission to access your Gmail. Go to myaccount.google.com on your computer, click security in the left menu, scroll down to third party and integrated apps, click manage all, look for Google Gemini or any Google or any Gemini related app, click on it. Make sure you have granted all necessary permission. You might need to click allow or grant permission depending on your setting. Go back to Gemini and try accessing your email again. This error should now be gone because Gemini has a proper access to your Gmail account. Solution 5. Outdated app are common cause of something went wrong error in Gemini. If you are using Gemini in your phone through Google app, make sure it's updated. Go to Play Store and tap your profile icon, select Manage App and Device, go to the Manage tab, look for Google app. If there are an update button, tap it. Wait for the update to complete. You should also check that your browser is updated if you are using Gemini on the web. Open Chrome and click the three dot, click help and then about Google Chrome. It will automatically check for update and install them. Solution 6. If the error persists, your Google account might have a synchronizing issue with Gemini. The solution is sign out and sign in again. Solution 7. Sometimes Google restricts access to Gemini if it is detected unusual account activity. Google myaccount.com and check the security. Solution 8. If none of the previous solutions work, try to disable and re-enable Gemini completely on your phone and try to sign in again in Gemini.